Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? So it is a very important video for all Filecoin holder because we expected, my friend, the price target of Filecoin, my brother. So I will tell you, my friend, in this video to which price, my friend, we expected. Absolutely, a lot of experts search about this, my friend, and after that, my friend, we found the final and absolutely the very good target. So this time, my brother, you can see, first of all, we need to update, and after that we predicate this coin, and definitely, my friend, we will also talk about the target now. So this time you can see, my brother, the chain occurs. So 1 hour minus 0.66% fails down, and last 1 day you can see a good for my friend, you can see good profit 2%, and 7 days you can see a 20%. Oh my goodness, 20.14%. It's a very good profit now, huge jump. The rank, as you can see here, 26, and my friend, you can see the market cap 4 billion and 24-hour volume, as you can see, my friend, 440 million, and you can see circulating supply 91 million, max supply, as you can see, my friend, 1 billion, and distribution 4.64%. My friend, we need to predicate this coin, so let's start the price prediction of this coin. But kindly, you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos and updates. My brother, this time you can see here the last 1 month chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely gonna show you, my brother, to this coin is going to be losing now. Very badly falls down, especially, my brother, from last 1 month. And last 1 month this coin is completely lost now, and there is a chance from this to upcoming time they will move upward or not. So definitely, my friend, there is a lot of chances so they will move upward, because if we just only check it out, my friend, the last 3 days chart, let's check out, my friend, the last 3 days chart to what's going on in the last 3 days. Yes, absolutely, in last 3 days, as you can see, my brother, this time they will completely end the profit. Absolutely, my friend, you can see here last 3 days chart is on the screen, and absolutely after a short fails they will take a very huge jump now. So definitely, my friend, at the last point, as you can see, my friend, the arrows is moving in upward direction, so that's mean to the coin is go in the moon in upcoming time, give you a very good profit. My brother, this time you can see here in last 3 days 0.66% their profit, very cheap, but definitely, my friend, that is the profit, so I am so happy. And this time the price come to 52.45 USD dollar, very huge price, my brother. I hope Filecoin will be hitting now 100 USD dollar just in only, my friend, in August to, my friends, December now. So this is possible. Otherwise, my friends, kindly, if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so I think Filecoin is one of the good option. Kindly invest now, this will be very good now. And the price target, I already my friends tell you to my friend, in December, at the end of this year, our target is, my friend, 100 USD dollar. And my brother, absolutely this is possible if my friends, they will take a 20% profit. Otherwise this is impossible, my brother. So hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.